To apply Gorilla Grip 2 accurately, you want to get your item flat. To do that, I've loaded my 6x10-inch attachment onto my heat press. And I'll make sure that any excess seams are underneath of the pressing area. Have my area completely flat, and at that point, I'm going to do a preheat, and I'll also check my pressure. Lock the machine down, I've preheated, I'm at a 1 pressure, and Gorilla Grip 2 requires this light pressure. Now for the temperature, you're going to apply Gorilla Grip 2 at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for a time of 2 seconds. That's just to get it to temporarily hold before you peel the backing, and then we'll complete the application by sealing it with a cover sheet for 10 seconds. So again, 320 degrees, a light pressure. I'm going to start by preheating my garment for just a couple seconds to remove the moisture and wrinkles. At this point, I'm ready to position my design. Position it in place. Gorilla Grip 2 does not have a sticky backing. So you can use thermal tape to help you if you want, or you can also use a cover sheet against this to help flatten your design and keep it in place. Lock the machine down just for those quick couple seconds. And this is a cold peel. If you have a heat eraser, you can rub it against the surface to remove the heat quickly, or you can simply remove the garment from the press, let it cool down for a few seconds. Bring it back on the press. Remove the backing. And now I'm going to cover it with that cover sheet again and seal it for 10 seconds for the permanent bond. Again, it's a 2-step application, but one of the greatest benefits of Gorilla Grip 2 is you're able to decorate these tough-to-do items quickly and easily, better than any other process. And now we have our completed result.